Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Grinny cat from Creepypasta. Cool character, and it's going to be easy, completely for beginners, okay? So I'm going to go through it step by step with you. Let's get started with Grinny cat. Curve line for the top of Grinny cat's head. Pull a line out, down for large ear on this side. Over here, down on this side. All right. And now let's go over here and draw the eyes. The eyes are relatively big. One over here, down, over here, on this side. Curve underneath, curve underneath. I'm gonna pull the bottom of that eye. The eye's gonna be pretty big, I would say. Go over here on this side, we're gonna pull this eye. It's pretty big. Right on. A little bit of some hair here at the edge to show like some furry hair, and pull a line for the inside of the ear right there. Zigzag a little bit down here. Right on. Let's go over here and draw the eye. Curve for the inside eye right here. Curve the inside eye. Line over here for the highlight, and dot here. Dot here. Down right here for the kind of the mouth area. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull a large-ish smile here, like a banana shape right there, curve underneath. And inside I'm gonna throw some sharp teeth. I'm just gonna do a zigzag line back and forth, pulling underneath here. Zigzag over here, and I'm gonna pull down on the neck right here. Okay, pulling back, and as I go down the back of the cat right there, I'm gonna do a little bushy shape as well. Don't forget, hit the subscribe if you like scary or science fiction type drawings or monsters. I'm gonna post a video every single day of the year. It's a seasonal channel, but I am gonna, keep this up through the entire year, okay? I'm gonna absolutely put one video a day. Gonna go back here, down, and down here. Right on. Let's go over here for the neck. Line down here for the skinny neck. Down here for the chest area. And I'm gonna pull a line down for one leg, and down over here for the far side leg. Curve over here. And I'm going to go out over here for the feet. Out, cross, in. Line over here. Out, zigzag over here, back in for the other foot. Out over here for the other foot, back in, and then pull up, down, right there. Go over here to the back, curving up, zigzag up, down, zigzag up over here. Line there. And all right, let's go down. So let's get like into the pattern of this cat. I can put like the leg over here on the other side, the far side leg. Really cool character, right? Creepypasta stuff, always interesting. I'm gonna go over here, put a little zigzag on the back because there seems to be a different pattern on the top of the cat. To be honest, I think it's a cute cat. I don't think it's creepy, although it's supposed to be part of creepy pasta lore. Pull a line down here. It's going to zigzag down here. Pull a line over here on this far end over here. All right. Throw one more line on this side. Down. Zigzag over here. But yeah, that is Grinny Cat. Very strange character from creepypasta lore. What are those stories? Let me know what you think. If you did enjoy this and you can hear my voice right now, hit the subscribe. I'm sorry. Well, that'd be nice too, but hit the like button because that lets me know more creepypasta drawings. I'd love to hear you guys' suggestions. Thank you so much. I will see you next time, and I'll talk to you very soon, all right? See you later.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both. But like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up. And you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent. And you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.